Squarespace has several different types of banners, so you'll need to identify which one you're removing. Let me walk you through each method. Start with the announcement bar. This is the promo banner at the top of your site that appears on every page. Log into your Squarespace account, go to Pages, then Marketing Tools, then Announcement Bar. You'll see an Enable Announcement Bar toggle or drop-down menu. Toggle it off or select Disable Announcement Bar from the drop-down, then click Save to publish the changes. The banner will disappear from the top of all your pages. If that didn't work, check for a page banner image. This is a header image on an individual page, not site-wide. Navigate to the page where the banner appears, hover over it in the Pages menu, and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Media tab, click Remove Image, then Save. The banner image will be removed from that specific page. Note that this applies to Squarespace version 7.0. The exact tab location may vary slightly in 7.1. If you're still seeing a banner, it might be a banner block added in the page editor. Navigate to the page with the banner, click Edit in the upper right corner, then hover over the banner block. Click the trash can icon that appears to delete the block, then click Save in the upper right corner. The banner will be removed and the content below it will shift up. Another type is collection item banners. These appear on blog posts, products, or events. Open the collection, then open the individual item where the banner appears. Click the Options tab, then click the trash can icon next to the banner image, and save. This removes the banner from just that collection item. The final option is a site-wide banner managed through your template style settings. Go to Design, then Site Styles or Design Editor depending on your version. Look for banner-related settings, open the specific tweak, and click Remove. Save your changes and the banner will disappear from all pages. Note that not all templates have this option. If none of those methods worked, the banner may have been added through custom code. Check Settings, Advanced, Code Injection to see if there's any custom code creating it. If you can't find it there, contact Squarespace support for assistance.